Aquamax Panasonic po ito guys. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel guys, pag-subscribe na lang guys. Aquamax Panasonic guys. Ayan guys, okay na siya guys. Ito pa yung sira, gearbox sira. Yun yung guys, issue nya guys. Yan guys, okay na, washing na, ready to use na. Guys, hanggang dito na lang guys yung ang aking video. Subscribe na lang guys sa aking channel.